Take a ride in the 2018 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, air conditioning, floor mats, anti-theft security system, front-wheel drive, daytime running lamps, remote keyless entry, cloth seat trim, console. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.